Hey guys, it's your girl WeScreen back again with another video. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. On this channel I share information on personal finance, fashion and lifestyle. Please consider subscribing below and ensure you turn post notification bell on so you don't miss a thing and you can get notified each time I post a new video. As you can see by the title in today's video, you're going to be hearing from not just me but from a couple of my other friends as well. Today this is going to be like a part of my money making series that I've been doing. If you are yet to watch my previous videos, please check them out up here and in the description box as well. So this is another part where I'm going to be calling my friends and asking them what would be the easiest way to make $1,000. So basically you're not just getting advice from just me, but you're getting it from my valuable friends as well. So let's start calling my friends and see what they would say. The first person I have to call here, let's see. Okay, I'm going to call my friend Wonu Ola and I'll put it on speaker. I hope he answers. Hey Wonu.
Hi.
Okay, so you're on my YouTube channel today. I have a question for you. What would you say is the easiest way to make $1,000?
Wow, it's that question down.
So let's just say I want to make $1,000. I need to pay my rent in a few days or like next month, and I have to pay $1,000. How would you make $1,000?
For me, one of the easiest ways would be Forex.
Forex, okay. Tell me about it.
Yeah. Well, Forex basically means foreign exchange, as what it means, which is just trading of foreign currencies of different countries against each other. So, just like you buy a currency and when it gains value, you make money.
Okay, that sounds cool.
And vice versa.
Okay, that sounds cool. Is it just easy like that?
Not really easy, especially when you're looking for fast money.
Yep.
But honestly, forex is not easy. It's very risky. So that's the one. And high risk, high return.
Very true. High risk, high return.
Exactly. So definitely it's risky. But if you do it right, then you can make a lot of money. So you basically have to gain the knowledge first.
Okay.
And that's learning. So I don't know how fast it will be, especially if you don't have the knowledge. But if you have to gain the knowledge, then practice proper risk management, then you'll be fine.
Alright, thank you very much, Wonu. I really appreciate it. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, Wonu advised foreign exchange, that's Forex. So he does Forex, I know he does Forex, so probably makes sense as to why he would say Forex. So I'm going to call another friend now, Tolulokwe. Let's see what Tolulokwe says.
Hello?
Hey Tolu, what's up?
I'm fine, sorry.
I'm okay. Okay, so you're on my YouTube channel today. I have a question for you.
Okay.
Alright, so what would you say is the easiest way to make $1,000?
Yeah, so on top of my head, I think the easiest with minimal effort will be if you have a car, right? So probably start an Uber or do this DoorDash food delivery with DoorDash, keep the dishes kind of setup. Yeah, with that, it's a faster way to make $1,000 in a week, thereabout, yeah.
Okay, so basically you're just signing up on Uber, Skip the Dishes and those platforms to do deliveries with your vehicle.
Yeah, so you have your car. The only thing that will cost you is probably your time and well, that's all. Gas, sorry.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much for that recommendation. I'll put it into consideration and I'm sure my viewers and subscribers will find it very helpful. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
And you too. Thanks.
So Tolulope recommended the gig economy, running DoorDash, Ubers, Keep the Dishes, and all of those platforms. I really do believe you can make $1,000 easily with those platforms actually, because I've done Corner Shop. You can check my video on Corner Shop here, and I'm also considering trying Instacart as well. Hopefully I try that soon and I would share with you my experience. Okay, so I'm going to call another friend. Let's see what Tinuola says. Hey Tinu, what's up?
Hi, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm fine. So you're in my YouTube video today. I have a question for you. Okay. So what would you say is the easiest way to make $1,000? Like if you want to make $1,000 right now, what would you do?
Wow, that's a very interesting question.
I know.
Okay. Easiest, do you mean easiest and fastest or just easiest?
I mean, let's say I want to pay my rent that is coming up for next month. So I still have some time, but what would be the easiest and fastest way that you recommend? Or that you would do actually?
Well, realistically, I think for my own situation, I'll do photography. And that was what I tried out last year when I was like really broke. So I basically just put to use what I already had in terms of a camera, and I started booking a little bit of session here and there. And yeah, if, for example, once you get started initially, you have to charge like a less expensive price, right? So if you charge about, let's say, $50 or $200 for a portrait session, or you charge about $350 for a small event, by the time you book 5 people, you're already making $1,000 or even more. So yeah, wow. For me it was photography because that was the easiest thing. I already had few equipment, so it worked.
That's very helpful. So basically you're saying for yourself you're just going to book more clients and do your photography to make more money, to make $1,000 in this case.
Exactly, and that would be on my own, like a very flexible schedule, and that would also be something that I'm putting like a service in use. I don't have to buy inventories, nothing expensive, just basically, my service. So
okay, all right, thank you very much, Tino. I really appreciate your time taking this call. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Please send me money.
Okay, I'm going to call another friend now. Let's see what she says.
Hello.
Hey Misty, what's up?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. You're on my YouTube channel today. I have a question for you.
Okay.
What would you say is the easiest way for you to make $1,000?
In my life right now?
Yes, in your life right now.
Well, apart from my regular work, I would say Instacart. Like it's basically shop and deliver. I can target $200 a day, and in 5 days I'd make 1K.
Oh, nice, very simple and straightforward. I like that.
Yeah. Or maybe take extra hours or do extra jobs like care jobs and the like.
Okay, very good. That's very nice. So with Instacart, do you get like a lot of tips or something?
Yeah, I get a lot of tips. Sometimes I can get like $50 tips per order.
Wow, that's really good. People have money.
People are rich. We hope to get there soon.
I hope to get there soon too. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. I really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Bye.
It's really nice to hear that people make up to $50 per order in tips. Very good, I must say. Okay, so let's call another friend. Hey yo, Ken, what's up?
Yo, hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Good evening.
Good evening. So you're in my YouTube video today. I have a question for you.
Oh, okay.
What would you say is the easiest way for you to make $1,000?
The easiest way
for you
is like, do you mean like in business terms?
Anyway, anyhow that you just need $1,000 right now, how would you make $1,000?
I'll would ask a couple of people to give me some part of the money in exchange for something. So I'll basically for me, I think I'll ask 10 people to give me $100 each.
That's very smart actually. So do you have friends that can give you $100 each, like 10 friends?
Definitely. I have people now. How are you now?
You say you have me. Okay, that's interesting. So just call me anytime you need $1,000 and I'll send you my $100.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, thank you very much, Ken. Have a good one.
Okay.
Bye. Ken actually had a very interesting twist to this. He said he's going to call 10 friends and ask them to give him $100. Honestly, that could possibly work for one time or like a couple of scenarios. But if it's something that you need from time to time, I doubt anyone would be ready to give you $100 every now and then. But that's actually a very good one because I wasn't expecting that at all. So let me call another friend. Let's see what she says.
Yo, visibility.
Hey girl, what's up?
Not too much. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, so you're in my YouTube video today. I have a question for you.
Okay.
What would you say is the easiest way for you to make $1,000?
Easiest way?
Yes.
Like I'm not going to use energy or effort at all.
Anyhow, you just need to make $1,000. What will you do?
Okay. The one that I will not work hard at all is I'll take picture of my feet. I don't live fine. That one I will not work hard at all.
So you are saying you want to sell your feet pictures online?
Yes, man. It's just feet pictures now. Yeah, I don't mind that.
I don't know if you have a pretty feet, so you would do that.
Shut up. When you put nice red nail polish or white nail polish, it's always fine.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Thank you very much, Mojola. I really appreciate your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Calling another friend now. Listen. Hey, what's up?
I see what you're doing.
I have a question for you. You're on my YouTube channel right now.
Okay.
How would you make $1,000?
How would I make $1,000?
Yep.
Passively or active income?
Anyone, you just need $1,000. How would you make it? What would you say is the easiest way for you to make $1,000?
$1,000. I'll get a good job. Something I could do. Nothing's coming top of my head right now, but that's what I'll do.
Okay, so what do you do for work?
I'm into tech, software development.
Oh, so you work as a software developer?
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. So you would just basically find a job and make $1,000 from it as quickly as possible.
Yeah, websites where you could just get something to pay on the hour and you put in 8 hours of work. That's a good way to make $1,000.
Love that. I think I should sign up to become a software developer too.
Yeah, no, serious.
Alright, thank you very much. Have a good rest of your day.
I hate it.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, so I'm calling another friend, but he's all the way in Nigeria. Let's hope he picks up the phone. Hey Toby, what's up?
Hello. I'm good.
Okay.
And you?
I'm fine. So I have you on my YouTube channel today. I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm listening.
What would you say is the easiest way to make $1,000? I know for you that would be about 500,000 naira. So what would you say is the easiest way to make $1,000?
That would be through e-commerce in Nigeria.
Okay, so what do you do?
E-commerce is more like you have some products listed online through on a website. Then you run advertisements to get people to the website to showcase the products. Then you can source the products maybe locally or international, or you import them. But mostly these days I do local products because of the cost of importation and the stress. So I just get the product at the market here in Lagos. Then I calculate the cost of advert, the cost of delivery, and then include the profit on it. Then just do the maths, we get the deliveries, and then in a month we can get about 200 deliveries or more. before we even get 200 deliveries, the $1,000 must have been achieved.
Okay, that's very, very interesting. So basically you're sourcing products maybe locally or internationally from countries like maybe China, and you run adverts for them, you list them on your websites and e-commerce platform, and you sell them to people for profit.
Sure, that's it.
All right,
that's how it works.
Okay, awesome. That would be the easiest way for you to make $1,000. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much for sharing that with me. I'll talk to you some other time. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you have learned some new ways as to how you can make $1,000 easily and very fast. If you have any recommendation as to how you would make $1,000, I would like to read from you. Comment below and I'm happy to read. Please don't forget to subscribe below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. In the meantime, stay confident. Bye.